Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgets Daily, and today we're diving into some interesting developments from Samsung that could shake up their smartphone strategy in 2025. We're covering two big updates. First, Samsung's potential rebranding of its Galaxy lineup, and second, their new model, the Galaxy S25 Slim, which might be a response to Apple's rumored iPhone 17. Slim. Let's start with the Galaxy S25 Slim. Based on a report from South Korean site ET News, which has a solid track record with Samsung leaks, the Galaxy S25 Slim is expected to launch in the later part of 2025, not with the main Galaxy S25 lineup in January. Samsung is planning to release this model around Q2 of the year as more of a test run to gauge interest in a slimmer, high-end phone. This strategy isn't entirely new for Samsung. They previously tried a similar approach with the Z Fold 6 Special Edition, a lighter, slimmer version of the Fold 6 that launched exclusively in South Korea. That release saw positive results, so it's clear Samsung is exploring consumer interest in ultra-slim devices. Now, you might wonder why Samsung is focusing on a slimmer Galaxy S25. Well, there are a couple of reasons. First, Samsung wants to see if there's a real market for a slimmer, premium device. If this model does well, they might incorporate a slim variant into future Galaxy series, like the Galaxy S26, but the main reason behind this seems to be Apple. Apple plans to launch the iPhone 17 Slim next year, and rumors say they're ditching the Plus model in favor of this ultra-thin phone. As we've seen in tech many times before, Samsung and Apple closely monitor each other's moves. Apple's iPhone 17 Slim is rumored to be incredibly thin, around 5mm thick, significantly slimmer than Samsung's S24 Ultra, which is 8.6mm thick. However, the iPhone 17 Slim is expected to have fewer features to accommodate this slim profile. Reports indicate it may only have a single 4.8MP camera without telephoto or ultra-wide lenses, which is a noticeable reduction in functionality. And despite these limitations, the iPhone 17 Slim could cost around $1,300, positioning it as a premium, minimalist device. So, the question is, will Samsung mirror Apple's choices here, potentially sacrificing features for thinness, or will they try to retain more features in the S25 Slim? If they do follow Apple's minimalist approach, the Galaxy S25 Slim might end up being a high-priced, slimmed-down option in the lineup. This could mean customers pay more for a thinner phone while giving up some typical high-end features. This test release approach, which Samsung successfully used with the Z Fold 6 Special Edition, might be repeated with the Galaxy S25 Slim, starting with a limited launch. If the S25 Slim sells well, we could see it included in the Galaxy S26 lineup for a broader, possibly global release. This brings up an interesting point. Will Samsung eventually have for models in the S26 series, or will they reduce the lineup by eliminating one of the current variants? Now, onto the rebranding idea. Samsung is reportedly considering dropping the Galaxy branding for its high-end S and Z series models, which would mark a significant change. This idea isn't completely new. Samsung has apparently been mulling over this rebranding for at least a year. If it happens, it would be similar to what Hyundai does with its Genesis line or Toyota with Lexus, creating a clear separation between premium products and their more affordable counterparts. Currently, the Galaxy name covers everything from budget models to flagship devices, making it difficult for premium models to stand out. This overlap in branding has led some younger consumers to associate Galaxy with lower-tier devices, as many of them first experience Galaxy through budget models. By keeping the Galaxy name for its A, F, and M series while introducing a distinct brand for its flagship S and Z series, Samsung could reinforce its premium offerings and create more brand differentiation. It's unlikely this rebranding would happen with the S25 series, but it's possible we'll see it in a future lineup. So, what do you think? Would this rebranding be a smart move for Samsung, or do you think it won't make a big difference? And if you're interested in hearing more about Samsung's plans for the S25 Ultra, make sure to check out the next video, and I'll see you there.